Hi, students. Let's take a look at your week 5 assignments in ESOL 034. Make sure, of course, to look over my course announcement to know what to be prepared for in week 6. Check out the calendar that shows due dates for assignments. Notice you have 2 assignments that are not due until week 7. But I want you to be aware of them. One is Number the Stars for chapters 6 through 9. Continue to read Number the Stars. Notice there are some optional parts that you don't have to read if you don't have time, but you are reading through chapter 9 during this module 2, okay? And there's a vocabulary exercise where you're asked to note words that are new to you as we progress through module 2. So pay close attention to those due dates. Let me go to content and move down. Remember now that we are in module 2, week 5. Click on week 5 so you see your list of assignments and all of the instructions for each assignment. Okay, so let's just check this out. You did so much work in class in week 5, so you already have your group projects put together. You completed your questions. Remember, your group will all get a grade. As long as one member of your group posted those questions, you will receive credit for that. This sources discussion board, each member of your group should have completed that at this point. And by the end of the day on Sunday, I would like each of you to reply to at least 2 of your group mates on that discussion board, just as you look to see what they wrote, so you all have an understanding of each other's questions. I know you are presenting the 3 questions you chose, but I want you all to be familiar with each other's questions as well in your groups. So do that for me so that you are fully prepared for your presentations that will happen in week 6. I'm so excited for those. Great job getting those PowerPoints together in class, so you don't need to worry about it now. I will look at them and offer any feedback if I have any concerns. Okay? Now, besides that this week, I would like you to take a look at this before, during, and after reading strategies document. We will talk about this in class. We've talked about it before already, somewhat, just keeping up with those strategies to make sure you're understanding what you're reading. You'll notice on the list then that we move in to our textbook, North Star 3. You have some readings. We looked at types of fraud in class in week 5. I need you to read that article to prepare for this bigger article called Catch Me If You Can, the Frank Abagnale story. Okay, and so read through these assignments because they are important for week 6. You will see that, again, in case you do not yet have the textbook, there is, if you click here on North Star 3 text, it will take you to the pages that we are working on for this week. So check that out. And again, you're being asked to read 2 articles, and I need you to come to class prepared to discuss them. You have a Quizlet here to practice the vocabulary that we've already looked at a little bit. And you then have some exercises that I'm asking you to do where you do not need to submit anything. This main ideas and details exercises that you'll find after the Catch Me If You Can text. You also have 2 comprehension exercises here in Brightspace you see are due on October 1st. So read through those articles and try to get a good sense of them to show me, what you know when you come to class in week 6. These 2 assignments, Number the Stars, chapters 6 through 9, and Vocabulary Squares, look at these handouts to be prepared for those. They, however, are not due until October 15th. All right. So that's what we have this week. Again, I look forward to your presentations in week 6. Thanks for listening.